Hello. Friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Meta Quest 3, the next generation of virtual reality. Meta Quest 3 is the latest iteration of virtual reality hardware developed by Meta, a leading company in the field. It builds upon the success of its predecessors, delivering an even more immersive and intuitive VR experience. The Meta Quest 3 is a complete redesign of the company's popular VR headset, from its smaller build to the more powerful guts packed inside. The headset is 40% slimmer than the Quest 2, with 3 large camera sensors on the front that immediately make it stick out from its more seamless-looking, but chunkier, predecessor. The touch controllers, now called Touch Plus, have likewise gotten a full refresh, also sporting a more compact look and more advanced tracking and haptics that put it more in line with the $1,000 Meta Quest Pro. Despite slimming down, the Quest 3 promises a big boost in power. The headset packs a next-gen Qualcomm processor, which Meta says will pump out twice the graphics performance as the Quest 2. Combined with the headset's higher resolution display, that should all translate to a more immersive gaming experience with sharper visuals and smoother gameplay. One of the standout features of Meta Quest 3 is its high-resolution display. It offers a stunning visual experience with enhanced graphics and improved pixel density, resulting in sharper images and more vibrant colors. Another remarkable feature is the hand tracking capability. With Meta Quest 3, you can interact with the virtual world using your hands, without the need for controllers. It adds a whole new level of immersion and makes interactions more natural and intuitive. The range of applications and games available for Meta Quest 3 is vast and diverse. From immersive gaming experiences to educational simulations, the possibilities are endless. Developers are creating exciting content that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in virtual reality. But Meta Quest 3 isn't just about entertainment. It has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, architecture, and training simulations. Medical professionals can use virtual reality for surgical simulations, architects can visualize their designs in 3D, and employees can undergo realistic training scenarios without any real-world risks. Meta Quest 3 is an important step towards a more immersive and interactive virtual world. It blurs the line between the physical and digital realms, allowing us to explore new dimensions and experiences. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Meta Quest 3. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest technological advancements. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the virtual frontier.